If you want to know the reason why the motor has abnormal noise, you need to take a video of it so that we can prejudge if there are some problems inside the motor. If you want to know the cause precisely, you need to remove the screw on the motor shell and the nut on the other side. Turn it over and tap it, then take out the core of the motor to check by 3 steps. Number 1. Check if there are unusual objects on the gears of the motor cover. Sometimes the noise caused by unusual objects. Number 2. Check if there are scratches on the hub cover. Sometimes the noise comes from the core of the motor rubbing against the hub cover. Number 3. Rotate the motor to check if the nylon well is broken and if there are unusual objects. If there are no problems, you can connect the motor and power cable, turn on the display and the motor to check if there are any noises.